On a Gucci King, they don't catch him. In fact, he don't they play guilty as he be like this. This Nigerian Instagram celebrity where he name na Ramon Abbas, most of them know him as Hushpuppi. As he be, they don't plead him guilty to money laundering. And I know say this guy, he don't get any better work. For those of now, we know this guy they always live large. When it comes to money spending, this guy they there. Fendi in there in support. Louis Vuitton he there. In fact, especially Gucci. Any small thing like this, they don't carry gifts. Go give this guy. Say this guy na their brand ambassador. But as he be like, we know say this guy know they do any better work. 419 work, 9 they do. Yahoo work. Any work will be say it involves scamming. Now what is this guy they do? So now he don't reach him meter. Court don't even catch and there they can't catch this guy. Carry and go jail. And what make them even catch himself now when he go due people of COVID fund. If now see the kind of money where this guy go hammer during that period. Now yeah, now this journalist where name now Evan Ratif don't share the document to show say this on a king Gucci King go spend 20 years inside prison. Hey! I don't even know behind this one even plenty a bit small to me. Because the kind of people where this guy don't scam I'm not sure say this 20 years even playing. It's too small. Because this guy don't cost so many things to so many people. He don't thief so many people money. But the reason now when you be 37 years, it means say by that time, 20 years later, you go down turn to 50. You go down old, come outside, be that. This one a good thing for me. Because all these kind of things when they do, it go make the youth understand, say, this one no good. And we hear say this guy go pay $1.7 million as restitution. That means all the things when he don't thief. He go pay the money back. Hey! But I sure say this whole thing, me, the reason one kind plan work here. I sure say that the lawyer, now I go tell and say, make him ask guilty because you know, say for abroad. Somehow, if you even do something, if they just link to one kind thing, release you. So this one now, when you don't play guilty, the free reason is okay now. As in don't accept, say, okay, you do this kind thing. Maybe they can't reduce in jail sentence or that, not be even say. Just they pray to your judge, they pray to God. Say make the judge won't come judge you, make the person be better person, make the person like you, because if the person don't like your matter, in fact, I no go surprise I say they go even increase your years for that kind of place. But under this Hushpuppi matter, now there Hushpuppi can't talk, say, he bribe police chief, this one even shake my body. He bribe police chief, what they call him, Abakai, on I know this man. This big policeman inside Nigeria. Hushpuppi say, he give him bribe. Hey! On they see as things they go inside this Nigeria. On they see 419s. Later, police now go the reason say this police now better person. No? The almighty police officer when they collect bribe, police is your friend. They don't they collect things underground. But as this guy talk this one, it surprised people. Because this police officer now they collect now big man, no be small person. So I can't the reason I say maybe Hushpuppi self just want to bring some people down with him. He don't really say he get nothing to lose now. So the best thing is to bring people down with him. Now make and they call him. I no go surprise say sooner or later he go still bring some other people names. They be say we go even shake table. I no go surprise all these big men we even dey inside Nigeria. They go know about them. But I beg get back now doing an investigation work before I go to say arrest people. But I beg what you can they back for me now this Hushpuppi? He no say money no legit too. But still you go they do gra. Online only you now go show say your always worth na $10 billion. Why you know say this money no be your own? You know say this money where they get na thief you dey thief am. Why you no just go live on a low? Why you no just go stay for one place they hide? And all these people they know they learn. They know they learn at all. You see all these yahoo boys and all these kind of people. Now you don't go pay for your freedom because of Instagram. Some people they go even hammer. Hammer where they go hammer where they go use this money to do the power. Use and find one business. Don't be say if they even keep that business, they think go they no go reason them. Now hotel, woman, drink, now they go meet and say, beg, borrow me money, give me money, make I do business. They no give you. But when they carry this money, they go smoke, go, they do something. Number one, they go see them for there. So I'm not even surprised. I say this guy now, he don't reach him, meet and say they don't even arrest him. I hope see all this spend. But wait, where you won't realize all this money safe? Where they say make him pay back. And if you even get the money, because the kind of people where this guy don't even scam it. I sure saw all this kind of money, but they're supposed to come out all those money for your account. Because they're supposed to know say all this money no be your own. So me they don't even let them collect this money at all. But see life. Now you don't come lose everything. 20 years in waste because you just won't go waste them for that place. If say you just jejely, maybe you even do one, you get the money. Go sit down on a low, do your thing on a legit level. Nobody will come outside and come to talk to you. And I know all these young boys, they say their eye they chook. They won't be like Hushpuppi. Hushpuppi now be their role model. I hope say I don't see what they happen now. I hope say I don't see say they don't take this guy down now. Make myself they careful. When I no go put hand for what be say you go come pass on a meter. My people I beg. I hear this one. As make I bring and come. Make myself listen ear. Hear what they happen. Anything wey una feel about this matter wey I just hear now, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video. I will see you for the next video. Some teenagers wey dey inside armed robbery case as the matter be, they go do this kind thing before we go see their motor don crash. This one dey happen inside Florida. As we gather our information, and these children they dey between the age of 12 to 16 years. See person wey be say children they don't even see anything to thief. They go thief person SUV car. And you know as abroad been, as this thing happen, Nigeria the neighbors immediately they call police. Nigeria police begin chase them these people. Then these children be say they go just calm down, go surrender themselves, drop this motor. They no do. Nigeria they begin drive with speed before we go see this motor don't begin some assault upon some assault. My people beg, make una follow me watch.
Cars flipping on busy freeways seems like a scene pulled out of an action movie, but this was very real. Four teenagers and a 12-year-old allegedly stole an SUV. It ended in a high-speed chase. On the freeway, the SUV changed lanes trying to get away from the pursuing police and lost control, hitting the median, other vehicles, ultimately flipping over. Law enforcement moved in fast to take the suspects into custody. The 5 juveniles, who ranged in age from 12 to 16, were taken to a children's hospital, where 4 were treated for minor injuries and 1 was in serious condition. The identities of the minors have not been made public.
I beg, all these children where they born now, I beg, what did they worry them? Because I know they even understand. 12 years to 16 years old pikin, you know decide say won't go thief indomie. You know thief rice, you know thief petty thing. Now moto person moto now you can't decide say you won't go thief. Now wow, all these Oyibo people say if like say they are liver. And I just say then these children, if say they go even meet their papa, be their mama, tell them say, okay, oh, daddy, I beg, I need this kind of motor. You know Oyibo people now, they go gather this money, buy this thing for this person. But then these children, they don't even reason down, they don't even think am. They think say a grand theft game that they play, but what they say they play. Now they begin carry speech, they move anyhow. Just they drive, they say they go even, in fact, what they pay me, now the damage they go cause. One guy will just there on his own. They drive in bicycle in peace. Now they go jam this one. Before we go say neck don't break, nose don't break. Every part of this guy body don't break. See damage is in our cause, and them now they just carry them go hospital. I know I can't surprise say abroad people now they can't say they mentally chat. I don't even want to hear that story. Because then this one way they need children, they know do. If now watch this video, and I will say don't be only this damage say that these children cause. They even cause accident for the other lane. People motor they even crash. And I hope so nobody die because this kind of thing like this now. I sure say person go wound, no how. But police or Oyibo people, these children, I don't even know as someone even they talk up. I'll be saying I go just reason. If now hungry they catch on, at least now go where they go. Now go know where I won't go back. And I no think am. Person motor back. What thing I want is I do 12 years old, 16 years old. Now I say I won't go sell them. In fact, I mean my own. May I carry them these people go jail. May they charge them because they know what they do. For you to go thief motor, it means that you get sense enough to go to prison. So may they carry them go. They don't know the rules already. This thing don't be like movie scene because if you even watch as they go, even say na film 3. You know, go even believe say this one they happen real. People children just decide. In fact, the things they really happen. I don't know, be an actress why they need to be waiting even enter their body. Where we say they can't decide say the only way for them to not to go thief person motor. In which you know say abroad, easy they go even track this motor. You know even reason, you never sit down and think your execution plan before you just plan this thing. Some people, in fact, they just move. But I beg, make I leave this case. My people, I beg. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.